A very good day to everyone. I am Kushide Chama and these are my teammates Likita and Lakshita. We are from Class 7, Excel Public School, Mysore.
In my village, I have seen how once reliable wells have dried up due to poor management and a lack of revival system. This has led to water shortage that affects families, farms, and daily lives. Witnessing this struggle inspired us to think of a way to ensure that every drop of rainwater is put to good use.
Our solution in RainReach, an innovating rainwater harvesting system designed to recharge wells and provide a steady supply of water for the entire village. The concept is inspired by the Reviving a Thousand Wells program, which showed how combining traditional water management techniques with modern technology can restore groundwater and enhance water security for rural communities.
Currently, our village depends on common overhead tanks for water distribution, but this tank often runs dry because of wells that do not supply enough water. Most of the rainwater from the roof goes for waste, either by flowing or evaporation, instead of helping replenishing the groundwater.
RainReach is a system that makes the best use of rainwater with minimal waste. Here's how it works.
Rooftop rainwater collection. Rainwater is collected from the rooftops and directly into the sump to each household. This ensures that the rainwater is utilized at the right source.
Overflow to wells and non-return valves. Once the sump fills up, excess water flows through a non-return valve directly into the nearby well.
Automated pumping to overhead tank. As the well fills up, water level sensor installed in the well detect when the water reaches a certain height. This triggers an Arduino-based automation system to activate a motor which pumps water from the well to the common overhead tank.
Our system uses Arduino-based circuit for automate the process, from sensing water levels to pumping water into the overhead tank. This reduces manual effort and assures reliability.
Thank you.